What I saw was on YouTube, and it came from the website, and I looked, and it was like, Japanese, and I translated it, so I thought it was true. It's a band Future Fusion, Monster Reborn, Sangan,
Oh, you're talking about the BLS.
and Wind Up Hunter, and BLS.
Honestly, I don't think that's it, though. Somebody was saying that one was Photoshopped. I don't know. I guess it could be pretty. I'll go first. I don't know.
I don't think so. I think
It
it's
looks
true.
legit, but
Yeah.
But somebody was saying something about like a.
Well, we'll see in like 4 days. But
Yeah.
4 days. I'm pretty sure it's true.
What?
Thanks.
There you go.
Sure. There you go. You're almost dead.
Go again.
There you go. I'm gonna beat you down. Actually, 13, man.
Oh,
You
you're
take
right.
600
You're
more.
right. Right down. I could really agree.
Yeah. No.
I go.
Well, it is illegal playing, as we said.
I used to do this.
Really? My guy's just too strong for you. Son?
Yeah, no, it's so stupid.
Go ahead. Funny.
I honestly, I was like, I have no plays left.
Attack for 43, right? Yeah. I'll take it. In one turn, you take the lead. I go?
Yeah.
I don't know. One of them's a D fissure. Go ahead. Should have put D fissure. Whatever. Space. Sure. Do you even play Sangan?
No.
How many tour guys you play?
How many tour guys? 2? Yeah, 2.
It's already. Alright, I don't know what else to do.
Gotta try not to do that a lot. Yo. Woo.
Here's,
Can I put this one?
is, Giga's attack? I'm trusted, I think it's the same way.
Yeah, I have to kill Giga. Wait, what am I at? What are you at?
If you kill that, you lose.
Oh.
Safe scrap.
Yeah, your Giga stays.
Oh yeah, you're right. Alright, go to you.
See if I can get a good card. Coming?
Yep.
Splash sign. Make him level 3. What am I at?
1,000.
Sure.
Cares about the rare. Anyway,
Gotta get some good traps. Dark Hole Mirror Force. He is reckless though, right? Or something? No? That's not good.
Oh,
He did reckless.
yeah,
There you go.
Yeah.
Dark Hole Mirror Force. I don't even know what I want. Go ahead. Sure.
You good?
Got one of them. Yeah, that's good. My turn?
Yep.
Perfect. I don't play acid ball. Make something or stall. I don't go to you. Go ahead.
Yeah,
God damn it. My turn? I'm gonna win this. Effect? Effect 2.
Can I read
Yeah, go for it.
well, the idea is more on
It doesn't miss me.
Okay.
yeah. Basically, gear
I'm gonna go again. Effect?
Yep.
Effect? Hit the card in here. This is game 2, I won game 1. But this is still stupid. I literally sat for like 8 turns just stalling.
You're gonna have a lot of videos to review when you get home.
Because, you know, you don't know how to do it.
I do actually. My computer's just
Slow motion. Just bad.
You saw it, you'd understand. It doesn't have a hard drive.
Really?
Yeah. It runs completely off internal memory. So yeah, it overloads like all the time. And I have to delete cookies and everything. Sucks.
Level 3. What are you at? 44?
Yeah.
He can double his attack when he attacks a monster. Yeah. So I'm attack for 100 and then for 800. Whew. What a comeback, huh? I was just sitting there like, you're gonna beat me, you're gonna beat me. Go ahead. Yeah. Aww. Space? Yes. Oh, wait, what? Space. Oh, it's a mind control. Never mind, my turn. I swear I thought it was a space. I'm just like, oops, that's my bad. Yeah, mind control. Game?
Yeah, that's game.
Alright.
Yeah.
Good game. That's my bad. I thought it was a space, like, I swear.
And I was really hoping for like a